This is the Insta360 Flow, the brand new AI-powered phone gimbal.
And in this video, we're going to give you our 5 top tips for getting fantastic results out of this revolutionary gimbal.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So tip number 1.
When you fit in the phone clamp, make sure that you put it on correctly. There's a little camera symbol on the side that points towards the camera on your phone. Once the clip's fitted onto your phone, it fits onto the gimbal by lining up the notch on the magnet.
Top notch.
Tip number 2.
You can check your work as you go by long pressing the switch button. Okay, we're ready for tip number 3?
I think we're ready for tip number 3.
Tip number 3.
So you can use the joystick to adjust the position of the tracking subject when you're using Deep Track 3. Okay, and tip number 4.
Okay, well for number 4, obviously the Flow's already got amazing stabilisation.
Yeah.
But if you want even better stabilisation, shoot in 60 frames per second.
Yeah, shooting at 60 frames a second, it'll give you like a half speed, but it definitely gets rid of any sort of bumps or something,
Yeah.
especially if you're walking along with it.
100%.
Yeah, it looks really, really good.
Okay, so straight to tip number 5.
Tip number 5, experiment with the widescreen aspect ratio for a more cinematic look.
Ooh. Okay, so what do these guys do if they want one?
Well, if you want to pick up an Insta360 Flow for yourself, we've got links in the description. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Wow.